In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a document in DocHub. To get started, open DocHub and make sure you're on the main dashboard. This is the central area where you can manage your files and begin creating or importing documents. If you're already signed in, you'll usually arrive here automatically. It's worth taking a quick second to confirm that you're on the dashboard before moving forward, because that helps make sure you're starting from the right place and following the process smoothly. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the New Document button and click it. This is the option that begins the upload process and allows you to bring a file into DocHub. After your file is uploaded, you'll be able to edit it, sign it, or organize it within the platform. If you're using DocHub for the first time, this is the main starting point anytime you want to add a document to your workspace. Next, click Select Files. This will open your computer's file browser so you can locate the document you want to upload from your device. Find the correct file, select it, and then confirm your choice. If you have several similar files stored in the same folder, it's a good idea to pause for a moment and double-check the file name before opening it. That small step can help you avoid uploading the wrong version by mistake. Once you've selected the file, DocHub will begin preparing it for import. When your file has been added, click Create Document. This final action tells DocHub to complete the upload and convert your file into a document you can work with inside the platform. After a brief moment, the document should open and be ready for use. And that's all.